Guys, today we're making some nice Guyanese dish. I have some nice fish egg. This is catfish egg we're gonna make. And then I have my little friend here.
I need to go to the washroom.
Okay, go. Justin he loves dry fish, so he's like begging me. And then I remember I have some that I brought from Guyana that I didn't use as yet. So let me make that for him today. Okay. So right now I soak my dry fish with some nice warm water. I'm gonna be cutting up my onions. I'm using 1.5 to make everything that I'm planning to make today. I hope it's enough. Yep, it's on. Just don't want to come say hi. Hi. How are you?
This is dry fish.
Yeah. Who wants dry fish?
Me.
Who wants dry fish? Who likes dry fish? No, it's hot. Okay, be careful. I have to cook it. Just don't like to eat it with rice and dal and roti.
Mama,
Mm.
is dollars on it?
I have to make the dal separately.
Mama, I don't want dollars.
You don't want dal? Just dry fish and rice? Huh?
Yes, only dry fish and rice.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna cut up this dry fish now. Usually I'll just take my hands and separate it because after you put it in some warm water, it gets loose. So this is just to make sure there's no bones because my little 5-year-old will be eating it. So I want to make sure that he's safe from all the bones and stuff. So I'm taking away all the bones and separating them. So that way he enjoys the dry fish and he doesn't complain that there's bones. And yeah, guys, I exposed him to all these foods since he was a baby. I would be mashing it up, feeding him, so his taste buds opens up. He didn't really like eat much, but he will taste it. Sometimes he doesn't even like it. But I just want him to get that experience of, the food. So eventually when he grows up, he will like the food. But if I do the American style, give him all the puree stuff, I know for sure he's not going to be wanting these Guyanese meal as he grows up. So that's why I did that. And now he wants these food and any other food except for pizza. He loves pizza. But every other thing else, he's not so much a fan of. And I'm really happy that he's like taking up all his Guyanese roots in different methods, which is something that I'm really proud of. Just keeping it loose in this water. And he told me he wants this for lunch, so I had to make sure that I get him some dry fish. I'm not sure what's gonna happen when this is all done. Probably have to go back to Guyana for some. All right, so we're gonna turn the stove on to medium heat. And we need a good amount of oil to fry this up. Now we're gonna add in some onions. I need to cut more. Now I'm adding in garlic. I'm gonna let that fry up good for a good 2-3 minutes. So as we can see, it's getting nice and golden there. Now I'm gonna add in my dry fish. I'm just gonna add in some garlic salt. Some nice Guyana aji to give it a nice taste. Of course, you know, as Guyanese, you have to put shallot in everything. Well, for me, I do. So I'm just gonna chip 2 stalks of shallot in. Then we have little Justin come to say hi.
Why can't see my this?
You came to say hi? Hmm?
Stay with Mommy.
You come stay with mommy.
Mom, what is that?
What?
That?
Dry fish.
I know, but I can't open it. What?
The key is to fry this up on like medium to high heat so it becomes really, really nice and brown. I add a little bit of salt. Alright, you guys, so our dry fish is done. Like, we're ready to eat this. It smells so delicious. Justin's like peeking and smelling and like tasting, and he's like wanting his food right now. So I put 2 pepper. I didn't bust the pepper. I didn't cut the pepper because I don't want it to get too spicy for him, because he loves it. I'm introducing him to spice little by little. This literally looks so delicious. Let me go put some rice in a plate and show you guys this. Our fish and rice. Okay guys, this is our dry fish and rice. Okay, come here.
Show me eating them.
I will. Who ready for the little dry fish and rice? Is it too yummy for you? How does it taste? So yummy in my? In my? Okay, chew.
Tummy.
Yummy in your tummy. Okay, let's go